Number 5, what is the volume of the given cone? So what we're going to do is we see that it's a cone, we have to write down the volume. Well, the volume of a cone is V equals big B, little h, divided by 3. Okay? Big B is pi r squared. Why? And it's not that big B is always pi r squared, it's the area of the base. And so far, 1 through 5, the area of our base has been a circle. So that's why each time big B has been pi r squared. So we're going to fill in what we know here, which is going to be, and we're going to leave this in terms of pi. Pi, and our radius is 5 squared. So this is going to give us 25 pi. Okay? So big B is 25 pi. So we have volume equals 25 pi times the height of 9 divided by 3. Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to multiply the 25 and the 9. So if you multiply 25 times 9, whoopsie, I did divide, 1 second. 25 times 9, you get 225. So you have V equals 225 pi divided by 3. So we're going to divide this by 3, and you get V equals 75 pi centimeters cubed. Okay. Now, if they ask you not to leave it in terms of pi, what would I do? What would I multiply it by? Yes, we would take 75 and we would multiply it by 3.14. Okay, so you'd have or V equals 235.5 centimeters cubed. So those are actually both the exact same number. Okay. All right, number 6. The cone shown has a height of 5 inches and a radius of 1.5. What is the approximate volume of the cone? All right, so it's the same formula. Here we go. V equals big B, little h, divided by 3. All right, y'all know the drill. What is big B?
Pi r squared.
Pi r squared. Okay. Let's see. Let's work it out all the way. Okay, so pi is 3.14. What is my radius? 1.5 squared. So what does big B equal? 3.14 times 1.5 squared, which is 7.065. All right, so this is what big B equals. So we have V equals 7.065. What's my height? 5. We're going to divide all that by 3. Now, can I put all that in the calculator? Yes, and that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to take 7.065, and we're going to multiply it by 5, enter, and we're going to divide it by 3. So our answer is 11.775 inches cubed. Now you might see an answer that says, my volume is going to be approximately between 11 and 12. 12 and 13, 13 and 14, 14 and 15. So this one would fit right in between 11 and 12, correct? So you have to watch that. Sometimes if you get a multiple choice test, they will ask you, after you figure out your volume all the way, it will say it's going to be in between these two numbers. And you can easily decipher that once you figure out the volume, okay? All right, number 7. Tiffany wants to calculate the volume of her globe. The globe is in the shape of a sphere, as represented in the picture below. She measured the circumference of the globe along the equator to be 24 inches. Which of the following measurements is closest to the volume of Tiffany's globe? Okay, so volume, what is the formula for volume of a sphere? Does anybody know?
4 third pi r.
V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. All right. We have to figure out r. Was r given to us?
Well, no.
It wasn't, was
It's
it?
the diameter.
Did they give us the diameter?
Yes.
They gave us circumference. Given us circumference, can we work backwards and to get our answer? Yes, okay. How do we do that? Well, C, the circumference equals pi d, correct? All right. So if the circumference is 24 equals 3.14 times d. Are you with me? Are you following? So now we're going to divide by 3.14. Divide by 3.14. So we get that D, 24, divided by 3.14. We get that D is 7.64. Okay? Now how would I find the radius from there? Divide by 2? So that we have the radius is 3.82. All right. Now, can I find the volume of my sphere? Yes. Okay. So we have V equals 4/3 pi 3.82 squared. And all we have to do at this point is type into the calculator. Remember to put your 4/3 into parentheses. So 4/3 times 3.14 times 3.82 squared. Enter. Did I forget something?
I think it's cubed.
Oh, it's cubed. Good job. Thank you. 4 divided by 3 times 3.14 times 3.82 to the third power. There we go. Good job. So it's approximately 233.68. So the volume is approximately 233.38. And what are we doing with? Inches cubed. Perfect.
0.68.
Huh?
You said 0.68.
I said it wrong, but there it is. Sorry.
3 or 6 3.
Right there. 3.8. Okay, number 8. A candy is in the shape of a sphere. The candy has a radius of 1.6 or 1.5 centimeters. Which of the following is the closest to the volume of the candy? Use 3.14 for pi. So if the candy is in the shape of a sphere and they want to know the volume, what formula are we using? 4/3 pi r cubed. At this point, did they give us the information we need?
Yes.
Yes. They already said that the radius was 1.5. V equals 4/3, 3.14.
Please pardon this interruption. I need